Hi guys, have you guys ever wondered what it's like to cross a bridge here in Germany? Well, you're in for some experience. I am about to cross the Cologne Bridge here in Cologne, Germany. So stay tuned and watch the video. Hope you like it. All right. Alright guys, we're about to cross the bridge now, so follow me. Guys, we are halfway mark from crossing the bridge, so stay tuned. Here's the other half. And this So guys, did you guys know that the Cologne Bridge was destroyed in 1945? Initially, it was meant for cars, pedestrian, and railroad to go through. It is 600 meters long, but it got destroyed during the war in 1945. And then when they rebuilt the bridge, it was only built for pedestrian and the train. So right now, as it stands, the bridge is only for railroad and pedestrian only, connecting the both sides of Cologne across the Rhine River. So when visiting Cologne, Germany, it's one of the um, architecture that you must see during the day and at night. This place is lively at night. A lot of people are just sitting here by the steps, watching the river, watching the ships pass by, the river cruises, the cars, the people, and enjoying the view of the bridge with the lights at night. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.
Ich bin hormonell völlig übersteuert und möchte dir meine Liebe